Let's make this delicious pulao recipe just like Savour foods. In a large pot, add the boneless beef, wash the chana dal thoroughly and soak it. After, drain the water and add in. In a muslin cloth, add the whole spices, tie the knot and add in along with chopped onions, red chilies, salt, turmeric, red chili powder, garlic and ginger paste. In the last, pour the water and cook on a medium heat until the meat and dal are tender. Discard the potli and continue cooking on a high heat until all the water has evaporated. Coarsely mash the mixture and cool down completely, then add the egg and chopped coriander. Shape the mixture in a flat and round patty. Heat up oil in a frying pan or medium heat. Fry the kebabs until they are golden brown and crispy on both sides. Take chicken pieces, rub salt and leave for 30 minutes. After, strain and dry completely. In a pan, heat up the oil and fry the chicken on a medium heat for 8 to 10 minutes until slightly golden brown. Take out and cool down completely. In a bowl, add whisk yogurt, ginger garlic paste, garam masala, red chili powder, chaat masala, cumin and coriander powder, turmeric, food color and squeeze some fresh lemon juice. Whisk it well and add the chicken pieces and leave to marinate for 2 hours. In a pan, pour the water, put the steamer on top, place the marinated chicken, cover with the lid and steam for around 30 to 40 minutes or until completely tender. Gently remove from the steamer and serve hot. Soak the rice in a pot, heat up the oil, add sliced onions and fry until slightly golden brown. After, add chopped tomatoes, salt, chili powder and crushed chilies and cook for around 3 to 4 minutes. Add dried plums, cumin and coriander powder, garam masala and cook until oil separates. Add crushed ginger and garlic, green chilies and mutton stock. Bring it to a boil. Time to add the soaked rice and continue cooking until water almost dries up. Cover with a tea towel and secure with the lid. Put on dum for around 25 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the lid and fluff the rice. Serve pulao with steamed chicken and Shami kebab. Enjoy with some salad and raita. Hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching. Chase the flavors.